YouTube channels that make money can vary significantly based on factors such as content niche, audience size, and the creator's ability to monetize their content. It's important to note that not all YouTube channels monetize their content, and not all channels that try to monetize are successful in generating substantial income. Many creators use YouTube as a platform to share content without a primary focus on revenue generation. Channels that meet specific criteria can monetize their content through various means, including 1. YouTube Partner Program. Channels that meet the eligibility requirements, including having over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once accepted, they can earn money through ads displayed on their videos. 2. Channel memberships. Some creators offer channel memberships, allowing viewers to become paying members for exclusive perks. 3. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Viewers can purchase Super Chat messages and Super Stickers during live streams to support their favorite creators. 4. Merchandise Shelf. Eligible channels can use the merchandise shelf to sell their branded merchandise directly on their YouTube channel. 5. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Creators may partner with brands for sponsored content or use affiliate links to earn a commission on sales generated through their referral. The success of a YouTube channel in terms of revenue generation depends on various factors, including content quality, audience engagement, niche, and the creator's ability to leverage different monetization strategies. YouTube's policies and features may also evolve, affecting how creators can monetize their content. For the latest information on YouTube monetization and eligibility criteria, it's recommended to refer to the official YouTube Help Center or Creator Studio resources.